Hey friends, welcome back to SheriTV. Thank you so much for being here. We got so much positive feedback from our last chatty vlog down by the lake. We're going to be doing a lot more of those, and we're going to continue with unboxings and things like that. And we're always open to new ideas here at SheriTV. Since we've rebranded, we're really just trying to open our hearts and minds to fun new things. So today, we're going to keep this kind of short. We're going to do a power unboxing of 2 months of good old Ipsy. Where's my Ipsy? 2 months of Ipsy and 2 months of Pura Vida bracelet. And that's all we're gonna do today. We did a separate video, a Globin unboxing recently. Oh, I'm so obsessed with that one, so make sure you check that out as well. Let's start with Pura Vida, one of my all-time favorite subscriptions. I can't give it up. I think I've been a member for probably 4 years or maybe even more. It is a bracelet club that costs about $15 a month, and every month you get 3 bracelets. Now, they're also letting you choose your bracelets, which is so super, super cool. This was the box from 1 or 2 months ago. I think this might have been December, and I got to choose this beautiful trio of bracelets. They are so pretty. I'm hoping that you can see that okay there. I'm actually not even going to take them off this time, but instead I'll post some close-ups over on Instagram if you want to see them a little bit more closely. But this one's gorgeous. It has more of like a, like a copper penny chain, and then a beautiful little gemstone and a classic braided bracelet all together. That's going to look so pretty on. And now for my January Pura Vida monthly club, I chose this one as well. This one was so hard to choose. And of course, I went for the one that had a little nautical twist to it. So you'll see that in this trio, this little guy right here, I'm trying not to cover up my face or make it hard to see, has a little wave on it. And I thought that was so perfect for us and our love for cruise travel and our love for the ocean. So I chose this one, but the other selection in January was just gorgeous. Can't wait to see what they come up with for February. Curious to see if it'll have like a little Valentine's Day theme or not. You just never really know, but they do such an incredible job of reinventing every single month. Now we're gonna go into our last few months of Ipsy. I don't even know which month is which, so please be patient with me because I typically don't open and start using everything until I show it to you. So sometimes that means I let them sit for a while. But I believe that this was my December bag here. As you can see, it's a pretty little bag. They always give you a bag to use. This is the Glam Bag Plus subscription, by the way. So there's 3 levels at Ipsy. You have regular Glam Bag Plus, and then I think it's like, I can't remember what the third one is called, but I think it's X or something like that. And they do have so many luxe and premium products in here. I have discovered some of my favorite skincare and makeup, mostly just incredible skincare through this subscription. Oh my goodness, this is a favorite. By the way, you also get to choose some of the items now. This is the Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion Age-Defying Exfoliator. I had this in another box and it was an aqua color, but I swear it was the same product. But this is a nice polish and smooth kind of a product. What else do we have in here? Oh my goodness, you guys, another very premium product. The Murad Retinol Youth Renewal Night Cream. Are you kidding me? Ooh, I am thrilled about this one because this is an anti-aging product and it appears to be full size. Oh, this looks like one of those ones where you press on the top and the stuff comes out, so you don't even have to open the lid. Yay! I love Murad. I'm so excited about that one. That is awesome. I'm sure that's more expensive than the monthly box alone, just that one item, right? I mean, you would think so. So cool. Okay, next we have the Complex Culture Deal Closer Tinted Lip Cream. Oh, wow, what a gorgeous color. This is very much an evening-y color. I'll kind of show it to you. It's kind of pretty. It has kind of a burgundy look to it, but I'll have to put it on a little bit later and show you guys what it actually looks like on. Beautiful. And this next item looks like it's from the same brand. Yeah, this is also from Complex Culture. This must be an eyeshadow palette. My goodness sakes, they send me huge eyeshadow palettes from Ipsy all the time. These are just unbelievable. The packaging on this is gorgeous and feels very, very upscale. Let's see. Ooh, how gorgeous is this, you guys? Beautiful. I'll try to hide that mirror there because I know that that's very much a lot to look at. Those colors. So on the top, oh, this is really interesting how they did this. They've got workwear down this side, brunch and night out. And I'm sure you could try a number of different combinations as well, but that is really, really cool. I am so excited to try that palette. I know it's, you know, with these subscriptions, sometimes you feel like you get too many palettes, but for me, I love them because I can just interchange them all the time. The fifth item in the box and the last one is, oh, Sunday Riley, you guys! This is the most premium box. That the brands are unbelievable. This is the Sunday Riley A+ High Dose Retinoid Serum. Advanced Strength Retinol Serum delivers a 6.5% power blend of stabilized retinols and retinoid-like botanicals into the skin. Wow! You guys, seriously, this is like a skincare dream. Okay, let's see how the next Ipsy competes with this, because I don't know how you can beat that. But let's open up, I think this one's January. The bag is really cute this time. It's kind of like a sweatshirty red little drawstring, reddish burgundy. And I can't remember what's inside of this one. Oh, this is cool. I've never had anything from the Paris Hilton brand. Paris Hilton Pro DNA Dual Action Cleansing Gel. That's different. I'm actually running a little bit low on cleanser. Holy cow, this is massive. 4 ounces, totally full size. Use twice a day, squeeze into hands, lather, etc., etc. Okay, no surprise there. Wonderful, love it. Need a cleanser. What's next? Ooh, Verified 2020 Peptide Eye Cream. Never can have too many eye creams. And this packaging, you guys, look how pretty this box is. I am not familiar with this brand, but this looks nice. All right, there it is, an eye cream. I am loving it. Another eye cream. This is the good thing about picking some of the items that are inside is that if you've got a problem area, like, hello, I do, under eyes, 2 eye creams in a month, not complaining. That's cool. What else do we have in here? Looks like we have a little lip liner. I think that's a lip liner anyway. Sky liner. Oh my goodness. Yes, this is a jet black lip liner. And then the last item, okay, I have to be honest. I did open this in December. I did take it out of the box because I was obsessed with it and had to try it, and I haven't stopped using it. It's the Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow, and I'm so sorry, but it's in my bathroom, so I can't show it to you. But it's a glittery pink eyeshadow that you dot on. It's like, it's in a wand. Unbelievable product. I love it. I actually bought another one somewhere and gifted it to a friend after trying it. So that's what happened to this bag back around Christmas. Anyhow, hope that all of you really enjoyed this little live stream with us today. I tried to keep it quick and simple and kind of relaxed, but we've got a lot more coming your way, a lot of more outdoor things coming as well. And we are just doing our best to kind of get through winter around here at Cruise Tips TV. Thank you all so very much for watching, and we'll see you again soon.